Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to AutoDS at 2026. So actually guys, the first step is to prepare your account. So you'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and an AutoDS account. So if not, you will need to sign up, and to sign up you'll need just to go with that button on the top right corner, get started. So you will need just to click it, and then you will be forwarded into this page. So you will need to enter the credentials right here, the email address, full name, and the password. Then click on join now. Also, you can sign up with your Gmail. So actually I will go with my Gmail just to set an example. So after creating an account, you will need to select your selling channel. For example, I will go with Shopify, and after that, as you can see, you will need to select a plan right here. It says right here, find the right package for you. After creating an account, you will need to go back to your Shopify store, then just click on settings, and then you will need to go with the left hand menu and select apps. Right now, I want you to click on Shopify App Store, so we will be forwarded into the Shopify App Store, and then just look for Auto Add DS and enter. Okay, so this is the app. Just go with install and confirm again with install, and there you go. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.